welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. This is another first impressions palette review. These videos basically consist of me putting every shade on my eyeball just to get a feel for the formula. That part is really just more for entertainment, not so much for you to copy a look. If you want me to do a video with this palette later with looks, just let me know below. But really, like I said before, this is really just intended to get a feel for the palette and the formula and see how I feel about it and share my thoughts. That's it. So the palette of choice today is Hank and Henry Las Hermanas. I felt like I needed this because I had the other 3 new releases, so I wanted to complete it with number 4. And I also picked up this Lustral Veil by Hank and Harry. This is the Brilliant Pearls highlight. Now I've had their highlights before, but their highlights tend to be for more medium shade skins, not very white like me. So I wanted to pick up something that I would wear a lot more than some of the other shades. So I will be showing you both. I can get this open. Okay, so the inside of this palette looks like that. Yeah, that's black. Okay, yeah. So that's what the inside of that palette looks like. And this is the highlight, and that is that. I love how they have the little imprint there. But anyways, that's the highlight, and I'm gonna try them both. So I'm gonna swatch those and I'll be right back. Okay, so that is everything swatched. We have Ride or Die, Every Day, Beastie, Las Hermanas, Endgame, Sissy, I Gotcha, Thick as Blood, and BB. And down here is the highlight. The highlight shade is in Nightlight. Yeah. So let's go ahead and get started with whatever this is going to end up looking like, because I really don't know yet. I think we are going to go in with I Gotcha, which is this blue one right here. Alright, now we are going into As Thick as Blood. Okay, now we're going to go in with the green color here, which is Las Hermanas. Okay, so we're going to go into this shade right here. This is BB. Okay, so we're going to darken up the creases of the eyes with this black color here, which is Every Day. It's ERYDAY. So now we're going to take this purple pressed glitter here, Ride or Die, and I'm going to use my finger and dab it onto the eyelids. Alright, the glitter is on. Now we are going to work under the eyes. The first color we are going in with is Sissy right here. I'm going to go in with Endgame. Alright, now we're going to go into the last color, which is Bestie, this one right here. Alright, colors are on. Let's go ahead and line the eyes. We're going to use, for the bottom liner, we're using Cargo, the waterproof one. And then for the top one, we're using Galactic. Liner is done. We are moving into mascara. We are using Wonder Beauty Mile High. Alright, eyes are done. I'm gonna go ahead and play with the highlight real quick. I've already done everything else on my face except for the lips, but let's go ahead and do the highlight. Okay, so there's a highlight. This is very much wow. I did not expect that much shine, but you know, super shiny. Okay, so I am going to do lips now. I'm going to keep it kind of boring because I'm really not going anywhere today, but I still want to finish my face. So I'm going to do Comadre, and then I'm going to set my face. Okay, for setting my face, I am using ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid. That is the finished look, so let's talk about the palettes. Okay, I'm going to start with the highlight. This color is a new color to me. Have I used their highlights before? Yes. I knew I was already going to love it, but I didn't know about the shade. But I figured it'd go better on my skin tone, which it does. But again, it's way more blinding than I thought it would be. So if you don't like the super blinding, that is not for you. You want a natural glow, that's not for you. But if you love super shiny, never-ending, reflectant light, this is for you. So there's that. And for the palette, this is the only palette that I know that they have a pressed glitter in, and I love that touch. And I feel like these colors are very, very different. You could probably really create more looks with this palette because the variation here, like it got a silver and this is almost a gold color. Well, that's more like a rose color, I would say, and that's your gold color. But in the pan, it looks kind of brown. You see that? But if you look on my hand, it definitely borders on the same color as the highlight. But anyways, I think these are beautiful colors. I didn't really experience much fallout or kick up or kickback, whatever. So that's it. If you like this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.